Today, we embark on a delicious journey as we dive into the world of food. Food is more than just sustenance, it's a celebration of culture, tradition, and creativity. Every bite tells a story, and today, we're going to explore how food connects us, especially when we travel. Imagine standing in a bustling market, vibrant colors all around you, the scent of spices filling the air. Every corner of the world offers unique flavors waiting to be discovered, and every dish has a history. Let's start with street food, a true representation of local culture. Whether it's the spicy tacos in Mexico, the savory crepes in France, or the fragrant satay in Indonesia, street food speaks to the heart. When you try these foods, you're not just tasting ingredients, you're tasting the love and passion of the people who create them. Now, let's talk about the importance of ingredients. Fresh, local ingredients are the backbone of great cuisine. When traveling, make it a point to visit local markets. There, you'll find fresh produce, herbs, and spices that make each dish unique. Engaging with local vendors not only enhances your culinary experience, but also supports the community. Speaking of community, let's discuss the joy of sharing meals with others. Food has a magical ability to bring people together. Think about it, every family gathering, every celebration, revolves around a meal. When traveling, don't hesitate to invite new friends to share a meal. It's a perfect way to bond, share stories, and create lasting memories. Now let's indulge in some sweet treats because who doesn't love dessert? From rich chocolate cakes to exotic fruit tarts, desserts are a universal language of happiness. When you're exploring a new city, make sure to try the local desserts. You might discover a flavor that becomes your new favorite. Remember, food is not just about taste, it's about experience. Try to immerse yourself fully in each meal. Savor every bite, appreciate the textures, and enjoy the company. This mindfulness transforms eating from a routine into a delightful experience. As we continue our culinary journey, let's not forget about the role of food in traditions. Every culture has its own rituals surrounding food, from holiday feasts to everyday meals. Participating in these traditions can provide deeper insights into the local way of life. So, whether you're enjoying a Thanksgiving dinner in the USA or a family feast in Italy, embrace the customs. It's these moments that create connections across cultures. And now, let's talk about the joy of cooking. While tasting is essential, creating your own dishes can be equally rewarding. When you return home, don't forget to bring a piece of your travels with you. Recreate a dish you loved, and share it with your family and friends. It's a wonderful way to keep the memories alive and inspire others to travel and explore. As we wrap up this episode, let's reflect on the power of food. It's a vehicle for adventure, a source of joy, and a bridge between cultures. So, the next time you travel, let your taste buds guide you. Explore new cuisines, engage with local communities, and celebrate the art of cooking. Together, let's make every meal an unforgettable experience. Because when we travel, we don't just discover new places, we discover ourselves through food.